wait until you're sleeping, you never hear me leaving. Go without saying a word. I could write it in a letter, maybe it'd be better. Who knows, it can make it worse. Save it for a rainy day. Baby, either way, I'm damn it straight to hell. 10 to 3 or 9:30. It'll never be a good time to drop a bombshell. If I did a little drinking, they numb me into thinking I could tell you face to face. If I hardened my heart, I'd tear us apart, so I wouldn't have to carry this weight here on my shoulder. I tell you it's over instead of keeping it to myself. Morning or midnight, it'll never be a good time to drop a bombshell.